Hi guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to deactivate professional account in Instagram. First, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once connected, just simply open your Instagram application. And from here, make sure that you are logged in to your professional account here in Instagram. And to deactivate your account, it is not applicable or you cannot deactivate your account here in Instagram application. What you need to do is just open your web browser and type here instagram.com. And once you log in to your Instagram account using your web browser, just tap this profile icon located below. Then choose this edit profile and scroll down until you see here temporarily deactivate my account. Just tap this option and select here why you are deactivating your account. Just tap this example, this temporarily. I will be back. Then just scroll down again and continue. Just enter your password here. Then after that, just stop this temporarily deactivate account. That's it guys. I hope that this video helps you a lot. Keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.